I will look after you. I'll take care of you. I will wash you all the time. I will stitch you when you get holes. Thank you so much. Where do we compost? Not much, but running out of space. Almost every spot that is not planted, we already composted. Maybe this side we haven't. Maybe here. Yeah, that should do. And I'm not sure. These two, one of them could, I don't know. Could be the potato we replanted. Let's just wait and see. We are going to harvest parsley. Parsley is doing amazing. Look at that. Wow. We didn't buy parsley from the supermarket for since last year. It's awesome. And I would love to make tabbouleh salad, if you know what that is. I have all the ingredients except from one. And that is the pomegranate paste. I don't have it. I don't know where to get it. Everything else is available. Thyme is doing great. It's regrowing. We planted this thyme today since the other one is doing well. Basil also, because we use a lot of it. If it's fresh, we make pizza as well, margarita. And this is the thyme. I cut it 2-3 weeks ago. It's regrowing. That's a good sign. Thank you for your support, for your loyalty. I will look after you. I'll take care of you. I will wash you all the time. I'll make sure you are clean all the time. I will stitch you when you get holes. Thank you so much.